morning, students. Other day we discussed about the trigonometric ratios of standard angles. I proved some values, trigonometric ratios of first one 45 degree, then trigonometric ratios of 30 degree, and trigonometric ratios of 60 degree. I proved all these trigonometric ratios of standard angles. Now two more angles remaining, that is 0 degree and finally 90 degree. So now we'll discuss about trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. First one, today's topic. So trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Then finally, after getting 0 degree and 90 degree, I will make a list. I will draw a table and enter all the values. Okay. Now you see. Consider the right angle triangle ABC. Yes. At point B, there is angle 90 degree. Consider C is acute here, denoted by theta. B is 90 degree. So this mark represents 90 degree. Yes, right. That ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is equal to, yes, let in right or ABC is a right angled triangle in which angle B is equal to 90 degree and angle C, acute angle, that is denoted by theta. Now very important. Yes, the first point is you have to make the value of theta is equal to 0. Now we are finding trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. We should convert theta is equal to 0. So this is very important. So what happens here? If theta is equal to, for example, 40 degree, you have to make theta is equal to 0. So automatically this line will comes to down, I mean smaller and smaller. So this line, I mean the line AC or the point A comes to or nearer to B, then it will become, as goes on decreasing. So I mean so if AC moves downwards, I mean towards B, so AC moves downwards towards B, then the value of theta gets smaller and smaller. In which case it will become 0, that is, if A is coincides with B, then theta is equal to 0. Yes, this is very important point. I repeat once again. Consider a right angle triangle ABC, so in which B is equal to 90 degree, C is equal to theta. Now we are going to find the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Yes, we have to make theta is equal to 0. Yes, now AC moves, just to observe, AC moves towards B, I mean downwards, then automatically, so theta gets smaller and smaller. In that case, I mean A is coincides with B, the point A is coincides with B, then finally theta value becomes complete 0. Is it clear now? Yes, write down. As theta becomes smaller and smaller, as theta becomes smaller and smaller, as theta becomes smaller and smaller, the line segment, the line AC, the line AC coincides with BC, coincides with BC, that is A is coincide with B. Yes, now very important. Yes, this is hypotenuse. Yes, what about this one? Opposite. What about this one? Base. Yes, very important. Yes, which implies hypotenuse AC is equal to base BC. Yes, coming to what about opposite? point A coincides with B, what about opposite? So the length of AB is also goes on decreasing. I mean gets smaller and smaller. Finally, if A is coincides with B, the length AB will become 0. That is very, 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 very important. Therefore, in this case, opposite AB is equal to 0. So these are all very, 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 very important point. Hypotenuse is equal to base, opposite is equal to 0. Then you can find the trigonometric ratios of angle 0 degree. Now I will write one by one. As first one, sine 0 degree. As right ratio, opposite divided by hypotenuse. Opposite 0 by hypotenuse. What? Any value you take, no problem, or 0 by anything, that is equal to 0. That's very important point. Next, second one, cos 0 degree. That is base by hypotenuse. So base is same as hypotenuse. So divided by hypotenuse. So gets cancels. Yes, what is the value of cos 0? That is equal to 1. Next, third one, tan 0 is equal to ratio opposite divided by base. So opposite 0. So base, as any base you take, no problem. So 0 by anything is 0. Next, remaining 3, cosecant 0, that is equal to hypotenuse divided by opposite. So hypotenuse by 0. So anything by 0 we cannot define. This is very, 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 very important. Anything by 0 we cannot define. Next, secant 0. This is equal to hypotenuse by base. So hypotenuse by base, both are same. So hypotenuse divided by hypotenuse gets cancels. What is the value of secant 0? 1. Next, finally, last one, cot 0 degree. Cot is the reciprocal of tan, that is base, divided by opposite. So base as it is, divided by opposite 0. So that is equal to, again anything by 0 we cannot define. Yes. Sin 0, 0, cos 0, 1, tan 0, 0, cosecant 0 degree not defined, secant 0 is equal to 1, then finally cot 0 is equal to not defined. So the very important thing is, in case of trigonometric ratios of 0 degree, this is very, 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 very important point. These two, opposite is equal to 0 and hypotenuse is the same as base. Yes, these are the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. Next, last one, trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. Last one, trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. Yes. Yes, again, ABC is a right angle triangle, or in right angle triangle, yes, A, B, C. So angle B is equal to 90 degree. Consider C is acute. In this case, we have to convert theta is equal to 90 degree. We have to increase the value of theta. If theta value decreases, A is coincides with B, have observed in the previous case. Now we have to increase the value of theta. That's what happens here. If theta goes on increases, for example, if theta is equal to 90 degree, for example. Yes. Next, for example, theta is equal to 60 degree. I mean, C is equal to 60 degree. Just to observe here, yes, to draw perpendicular length. Yes, this is B. Yes, this is A. Now you see the length. BC goes on decreasing. This is very, very, very important point. As theta increases, the line segment BC decreases. Why? Because B move towards left. I mean, B moves towards the point C. Okay, if theta is equal to again for example now 80 degree, just to observe here again, as it decreases, the length of BC decreases. Then finally, if C is equal to 90 degree, yes, then what happens? B is coincides with C. This is very important. Let's write down as theta increases, the line segment BC as decreases. This is very important. If theta becomes theta becomes 90 degree, then very important, point B is coincides. Then point B coincides with C. This is very important. Next, write down SBC means S base here. SAC goes on increases. So what about S? This is very important. In this case, opposite is same as hypotenuse. Yes, just to draw here as like this. So in this case, which implies opposite AB is same as hypotenuse AC. Next, what happens? Base BC is equal to 0. This is very important. In previous case, base is equal to hypotenuse. So in this case, opposite AB is equal to hypotenuse AC. Okay, now you write one by one. Yes, first one, sine 90 degree. Yes, opposite divided by hypotenuse. Both are same. Opposite divided by opposite. Gets cancels. So this is the value of sine 90 degree. That is one. Next case, cos 90 degree. Cos 90 degree, that is base divided by hypotenuse, that is 0 divided by hypotenuse. So 0 by anything, that is 0. Next, tan 90 degree. So tan is the ratio of opposite divided by base. So opposite as it is, base that is 0, anything by 0, yes, not defined. What is the value of tan 90? We cannot define. Next, cosecant 90 degree, reciprocal of sine, hypotenuse divided by opposite. So hypotenuse, in place of opposite, right, hypotenuse gets cancels, that is 1. Next one, secant 90 degree. So secant is the reciprocal of cos, that is hypotenuse divided by base. So hypotenuse as it is divided by base, that is 0. So anything by 0 we cannot define. Then finally last one, that is cot 90 degree. Cot is the reciprocal of tan, that is base divided by opposite, that is 0 divided by opposite. So 0 by anything, that is 0. So this is about the trigonometric ratios of 90 degree. First one, sin 90 degree is equal to 1, cos 90 is equal to 0, tan 90 is equal to not defined, then cosecant 90 degree is equal to 1, then secant 90 degree not defined, then finally cot 90 degree is equal to 0. Now we got all the values from 0 to 90 degree. I mean 0, 30, 45, 60 and finally 90. Complete values we got now. I will write table and I enter all the values. So next exercise questions depend upon complete the table. So you remember only the values. No need to learn all these things. Only remember the values. Okay. Next I will draw complete table and I enter all the values. Okay. Let's see students. So here is the table. So complete this table gives us the trigonometric ratios of all standard angles. Now here, so that is angles, angle, right side, first one 0 degree, second one 30 degree, then 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So here downwards trigonometric ratios. So first one sine theta, second one cos theta, third one tan theta, fourth one reciprocals, better cosec theta, then sec theta, finally cot theta. Now you see one by one. First one sine 0, 0. What is the value of sine 30? Plus 1 divided by 2. Sine 45, 1 divided by root 2. Sine 60, that is root 3 divided by 2. What is the value of sine 90? 1. Cos 90. To write in reverse order, we will get cos value. Cos 90 is same as sine 0, that is cos 0, that is nothing but sine 90. Cos 0 is same as sine 90. Write in reverse order, that is 1. Next, root 3 by 2, cos 30 value, root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is same as sine 45, that is 1 by root 2. Cos 60 is same as sine 30, that is 1 by 2. Cos 90 is the same as sine 0, that is 0. If you know these two, sine and cos, you can write remaining 4 easily. Tan theta, sine by cos, so 0 by 1. What is the value of 0 by 1? 0. Next, cos 30, that is 1 by 2. Yes, tan 30 is equal to sine 30. And so 1 or 2, sine 30 divided by cos 30. Sine 30 value 1 by 2 into make it reverse 2 by root 3. 2 gets cancels. Thus what is the value of tan 30? That is 1 divided by root 3. Both gets cancels here. Tan 45 1. Root 3 by 2 into 2 by 1. As 2 gets cancels. Root 3. Now 1 by 0, that is very important. 1 divided by 0. 1 by 0 is not defined. 1 by 0 we cannot define. That's right. Not defined. ND. Next, cosecant 0. It is the reciprocal of sine. That is 0 is there. Again 1 by 0 we cannot define. Cosecant 0 we cannot define. Next, 1 divided by 1 by 2, that is equal to reciprocal of this 2. Next, 1 divided by 1 by root 2, that is root 2. Next, root 3 by 2, reverse, reciprocal, that is 2 by root 3. 1 by 1, reciprocal, 1. Next, secant is the reciprocal of cos. As secant 0, 1 by 1. That is 1. Next, root 3 by 2, that is 2 divided by root 3. Next, 1 by root 2, reciprocal, root 2. 1 by 2, reciprocal, yes, 2. Next, secant 90, reciprocal of this one. 0 is there, correct? That is 1 by 0. We cannot define. Not defined. Then finally, cot. Cot 0. What is the value of cot 0? Yes, 0 is there. 1 by 0. We cannot define. Next, 1 by 2. Reciprocal. Reciprocal of s. 0 by s. 1 by root 3. Sorry, 1 by root 3. That is root 3. Yes, here 0 by 1 we cannot define. Reciprocal. I mean, cot is the reciprocal of tan. 0 by 1. Yes, 0 by 1 we cannot define. Next, 1 by root 3. root 3. 1 by 1, 1. Next, root 3 is there, reciprocal, 1 divided by root 3. Then finally 1 by not defined, so 1 by not defined, its value is 0. So this is about complete trigonometric ratios of standard angles, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 degree and finally 90 degree. So next exercise questions depend upon complete these values. Yes, please remember all these values. Yes, I shall start exercise questions in the next video class. Okay, thank you.